नमस्कार, वेलकम टू योर वेरी ओन यूट्यूब चैनल योगा एंड मच मोर। तहे दिल से आप सभी का पुनः एक बार स्वागत है आपका अपना यूट्यूब चैनल योगा एंड मच मोर में। दोस्तों, योगा फॉर बिगिनर्स सीरीज़ में ये पार्ट 2 है और हम ये पार्ट 2 में अभी बात करने वाले हैं सम आसनास अबाउट आईज़, आँखों के कुछ आसनास के बारे में, सूक्ष्म व्यायाम के बारे में।
So guys, if you are yet to subscribe, please do so. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and select all tab and encourage your friends and family to connect with us and subscribe to our channel, Yoga and much more.
Also friends, this is a humble request. From time to time, please keep on giving your feedback, your suggestions so that we can improve upon and together we can bring in more useful content in future. Before we begin the practice, it is always ideal to say a prayer. You may choose any prayer that suits you. Saying a prayer with a sense of submission and devotion helps the practitioner many ways. It helps in particular focused and mindful practice.
Sit in your comfortable position. It can be Vajrasan, Sukhasan, Padmasan, Ardha Padmasan, any asan in which you are comfortable in. Sit in that. Just make sure to keep your spine straight. And now we will say the prayer. Close your eyes first. Inhale. Take a deep breath. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमया शांति शांति शांति।
To begin with the practice, we'll go ahead with Sukshma Vyayam or Upa Yoga or some warm-up asanas for both our eyes. So first one, look upward slowly, hold for 2 seconds, come down, look downward, hold for 2 seconds, again go up, look upward, hold for 2 seconds, keep your breathing normal, calm down, look downward, hold for 2 seconds. Now we have shown this for 2 times. It can be done for 5 times or even 10 times, or the practitioner is at the disposal of his discretion to increase the number as per the requirement. Now the eye movement would be from left to right. Hold for 2 seconds, then right to left, hold for 2 seconds, then again left to right, hold for 2 seconds, right to left, hold for 2 seconds, relax. We have shown this for 2 times. However, again this can be done for 5 times, 10 times, or as per the discretion of the practitioner or as per the requirement. Now we'll go ahead with rotation of the eyeballs clockwise and anti-clockwise. So begin clockwise. You can do it slowly with awareness. Keep your breathing normal and try rotating your eyeballs 360 degree clockwise, and after that you can do that anti-clockwise, that is reverse direction. So you can do this also 5 times, 10 times or more as per the requirement. Now we'll do another asana for our eyes, which we can comfortably call follow the thumb asana. This asana can be practiced while being seated or even in standing position. For that, we need to keep both our hands extended in front of our eyes and then raise both the thumbs, that is thumbs up position, and both the thumbs should be at our eye level. Now gradually we'll move the right hand thumb, but we will not move the head, and try to keep seeing the thumb to the maximum possible extent. We must not move the head, but we should keep try keep a vision of the right hand thumb as far as possible. Then we'll come back slowly. We'll keep the vision fixed on the right hand thumb and keep it at the center slowly. After that, just like that, we'll move the left hand thumb to our left side. We'll not move the head, but keep our vision fixed on the left hand thumb, and we'll try to keep the sight of it as far as possible. This will move our eyeballs to the extreme right or extreme left, and accordingly we'll slowly come back. We'll bring our hand, the left hand thumb back, and our vision will be fixed on the thumb, and we'll bring it to the center. Relax. So we have shown this follow the thumb asana for once. This can be done 3 times or more as per requirement of the practitioner. For all the asanas, the eye related asanas that we have shown, the repetitions are suggestive only. Therefore, as per need of the practitioner, it can be increased or decreased. Now a very simple one we are trying to show, where we have to take our palms and rub both the hand palms very strong, so that we can generate enough heat. Yeah, we'll rub for a minute or so. We'll generate enough heat, close our eyes, and then place it on our eyelids. This will comfort our eyes, and this can be repeated also 3 to 5 times or more. Friends, so let's learn about some of the important benefits of doing the eye related Upayoga or Sukshma Vyayams. Number 1, such asanas exercise our eye muscles and improve blood circulation. Number 2, it reduces strain and tension in and around eye areas. Number 3, it helps in calming the disturbed mind. Number 4, this improves eyesight. Number 5, this also improves concentration. Number 6, relief from dry eye symptom. So these are some of the benefits that are derived by practicing eye related Sukshma Vyayams. So guys, with this we have come to the end of this video. We are very thankful to all of you for all the support that you have extended till now.
Thank you guys, and please stay connected to watch our upcoming videos. Like, share and subscribe.
धन्यवाद. नमस्कार.
Namaskar.